Frigidaire portable air conditioners can develop water leaks from the bottom for several common reasons. Understanding these causes helps you quickly identify and fix the problem. The three most frequent causes are a full drip pan, a dirty air filter restricting airflow, and a clogged drain line preventing proper water drainage. Let's go through each troubleshooting step systematically, starting with the most common issue. First, check and empty the drip pan or water tank. This black collection pan sits at the bottom of your unit and catches condensation. If it's full, water will overflow and leak onto your floor. Once the drip pan is emptied and checked, move on to examining the air filter. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, causing the evaporator coils to freeze and then leak water when they thaw. Remove the filter and clean it thoroughly with warm soapy water, then let it dry completely before reinstalling. With the filter cleaned, next, check the drainage system. Inspect the drain line for clogs, kinks, or disconnections. Dirt, debris, or mold can block the drainage system. Flush the line with clean water or use a small brush to clear any obstructions. Now check the drain plug and unit positioning. Check that the drain plug is properly sealed and tightened. Also, ensure your unit sits on a level surface, as gravity is essential for proper water drainage. An unlevel unit can cause water to pool and leak. Finally, check for frozen coils, which can cause significant leaking. If you find frozen evaporator coils covered in ice, turn off the unit immediately and let them thaw completely. This usually happens due to restricted airflow from dirty filters. Clean the filters and ensure proper ventilation before restarting. Following these systematic steps will resolve most common leak issues in Frigidaire portable air conditioners. These 6 steps address the most common causes of water leaks in portable air conditioners. Regular maintenance of these components will prevent most leak problems and keep your unit running efficiently. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve water leaks, it's time for advanced inspection. Internal components like pumps, connections, and the lower basin require careful examination. Rust holes in the lower basin are a common cause of persistent leaks. These develop over time due to moisture exposure and can create small but troublesome water escape points. For units that constantly fill up with water, installing a drain hose provides a permanent solution. This allows continuous drainage without manual emptying. Regular filter maintenance is crucial for preventing leaks. Clean air filters every 250 hours of operation, as dirty filters restrict airflow and cause moisture buildup. Professional cleaning every 3 to 6 months prevents dirt buildup that leads to clogs and leaks. Specialized equipment ensures thorough cleaning of hard-to-reach components. Proper storage prevents damage and extends unit lifespan. Before storing, completely drain the water tank, clean the filter, and ensure all drain caps and plugs are properly sealed. In humid environments, use the dehumidifying mode to reduce condensation. By performing routine maintenance and addressing issues promptly, you can prevent leaks and significantly extend your Frigidaire portable AC's lifespan.